I want to tell you one thing first. I have
Hmm.
seen you on YouTube. There are so many lessons on YouTube where
Hmm.
I have seen you, and your name is Meghal Ahuja.
Yes, right.
Actually, this is my first session on Clapingo,
Okay, this is your class
and,
one.
and
Wow.
and I can tell you where are you from. You are from New Delhi, and you are a makeup artist, I think. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
I feel like sometimes when everybody knows where I am from, what do I do, and they have seen my videos on YouTube, I feel like I'm a celebrity.
Actually, you are a popular person on YouTube.
Huh? Is it?
Throw this clapping board.
I think this is
Actually, you are a
video which.
yeah, yeah. No, there are so many videos, which videos I have seen on YouTube,
Hmm.
and I saw you there. That's why
Okay.
I know you.
Yes, yes. I mean, obviously, there is no other
Yeah.
means, right? So, like, how did you come across my video on YouTube?
Actually, there is a video, and there is a kid, maybe Havisha Rathore. You know Havisha Rathore.
I don't remember, like, by name, I don't remember.
She is 13 years old. I was searching just Clapingo conversation. Then I saw you there, and I cannot remember that guy name actually, but I know you.
Okay. Like, you watched that prank video?
Yeah.
Kabir? Kabir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
The channel name is Rural Talk.
Yes, Rural Talk. Yeah. His name is Kabir, actually.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
from Jharkhand.
That much I don't remember. I just remember that his name is Kabir. His video went viral. Now everybody knows me.
You are grateful.
Right, right, right. Okay. So let's start with your introduction first.
Yeah, myself Rohit, as you know my name, and you can see my name. And I'm from UP, Uttar Pradesh, but right now I live in New Delhi.
Hmm.
I'm doing my graduation.
Okay.
Actually, I'm just 12 pass.
Okay. So
Actually, I think, sorry,
from where are you pursuing your graduation?
I'm doing graduation from UP, Chaudhry Charan Singh University.
Okay. Yeah, I have heard of it.
Yeah,
Okay.
from there.
And you are in Delhi for um
Yeah, I live in Delhi with my parents because my father is a DTC driver, bus driver.
okay,
So, actually, I have been living here last for 4 years in
in
Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Okay. But your college is in UP.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, I gave up my study because I wanted to do BTech, but I couldn't. That there are some issues in my family.
Hmm.
That is
Uh,
why then I chose maybe I am wrong, grammatically wrong.
yes, I
Then I
chose. Not
yeah
choose, chose.
yeah I chose BA honor. But
Hmm.
I am from science background, and right now I am doing from art, the
Okay, wait.
bachelor of
Let's
art.
start from the very starting. You did your class 12. After that, you wanted to do BTech, but you could not for some personal reason.
Yeah.
So you have like a gap of few years.
Yes.
So now you are pursuing your graduation from UP itself.
Yeah. This is my last year.
This is your third year, and
Yeah.
you are BA honors.
Yes.
Okay.
And let me tell you one thing.
Hmm.
Actually, I have experienced one thing. One thing, I have been learning English grammar last for 1 year, but I cannot use it when I speak English. I'm not
Hmm.
perfect, and maybe there is no perfect person on this planet.
Yes,
Only
you're
God
right.
is perfect.
You're right.
I,
Absolutely.
I think I'm not perfect. Not I think I'm not perfect.
Hmm.
So and then I was scrolling on Clapingo, and I was searching you. Then I saw you, and there was a slot. Then I booked that slot.
Okay, very nice. Very nice. I'm very pleased to meet you, first of all.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. And one thing which I want to mention, Rohit, is you said that you are not perfect. You can't speak very fluently in English, even though you have been practicing since 1 year.
Not practicing like yeah. I want to tell you one
And
thing. I'm
learning
not
since.
practicing. I have not been practicing for speaking. I
Hmm.
practiced just for grammar,
Yeah,
grammar portion.
that is my point. That
Yeah,
you have been practicing the grammar part, but you aren't practicing speaking.
yeah,
So unless and until you speak, unless and until you talk to people, you talk to yourself, you will not be fluent.
yeah.
Fluency will come with practice. The more you talk, the better you will get. And the
Yes.
more you talk means maybe 30, 40 classes, 50 classes, even 100 classes for that matter.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
So it should not demotivate you that I have taken 20 classes, still I'm not improving. There's a long way to go. You have to be patient and
Yes. It comes
consistent.
from time or
Yes,
experience.
yes. It's just that you have to practice regularly now. Apart from Clapingo, you need to do some homework as well.
Yeah.
Okay? So do you
Okay.
like I'll help you with the homework part also first.
Yes.
What all things can you do? First of all, you tell me if you are doing anything at home or not in terms of practicing.
Nowadays, I don't have time. Yes. To be honestly, I teach mathematics.
Yeah,
I'm a teacher of mathematics, and
very good.
I teach grammar as well. Only
Okay.
grammar, and you can see I have one book SSC. You can see here
Yes, yes, yes.
SSC. This is actually this is really different. But nowadays I am really getting into in speaking, and you know I want to because speak more and more so that I could motivate other people.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So what is your long-term goal? Your plan? What do you want to do?
Actually, right now I have a goal. I have to be fluent. I have to practice, and
Hmm.
I have to be a teacher. Like you are a tutor on Clapingo. This is my goal. Have to be tutor, not
Or
tutor.
you want to be a tutor? English and mathematics both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not a mathematics. Mathematics is my passion. I just teach this because when I was kid, I was fond of mathematics actually. But
Okay.
I don't give up this mathematics because this is my passion. But I want to improve my English grammar or English speaking,
Hmm.
much more things in English. Yeah.
Okay, got your point. So this is your long-term goal also that you want to be a tutor, a
Yeah.
teacher.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll quickly tell you what homework you have to do because we only have 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
from today onwards, you have to make a timetable. You have mentioned that you are very busy. So you have to tell me first of all, on an average, how much time can you spend on a daily basis for practicing? How much time can you take out daily?
1 hour for speaking or listening because these are
In
different things.
total, I'm talking about. In total.
Total 2 hours.
Okay, 2 hours is extremely long. Let's consider 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay, 1 hour break from my side.
Yeah.
You can enjoy.
Yes.
For that 1 hour which you're spending, even if you don't have 1 hour, 30 minutes are also enough. You just have to divide your time. Let's suppose you're taking out 1 hour. So you have to divide 1 hour into three parts 20, 20, 20. Maybe you can divide it into four parts 15, 15, 15, 15, as per your wish and your convenience. Now you have
Okay.
to divide your tasks. From Monday to Sunday, make a timetable. Then write down, like, just make a division into four parts or three parts. For first 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you have to practice reading. Whatever you are reading, newspaper, magazine, any novel, any textbook, anything on the internet, maybe all of these as per the day. On Monday, you have to read novel, on Tuesday, newspaper, Wednesday, internet. Divide, and you have to read one article or one passage loudly. Okay?
Okay.
Just
Okay.
one page read loudly. So if in 20 minutes you can read the same page 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, according to you, you can decide how do you want to proceed.
Yeah.
Okay? Because you will notice when you're reading it for the first time, you would be fumbling. You would not be very fluent.
Yeah.
When you read the same thing again, you can speak better. Then you read it 3 times, you would be more fluent. Automatically, you will get the confidence that yes, now I can speak more fluently. 15 minutes or 20 minutes for this activity, number 1.
Yeah.
Second activity, what you have to do is, while reading, you will come across many new words that you have never read before. Underline the word. Then and there itself, while reading, you can underline. Maintain a new notebook from today. Write down all the words in your notebook. 1 word on 1 page. The entire page you have to leave blank then. 1 word on 1 page. Even if you're writing 2 or 3 new words daily, that is also enough. I'm not asking you to write 20, 30 words. No. 2 words, 3 words, 5 words, maybe just 1 word. At least something you have to write. Then go on Google, search for the meaning of all those words. Along with the word, write the meaning. Then search for the synonyms. Underneath, write synonyms, all the synonyms. 1 synonym, 2 synonyms, 3, again as per your convenience. Whatever information you are able to find online and understand. Write only those things that you can understand.
Yes.
Don't straight away copy from Google and then you are thinking, what have I written in my notebook? No. Write only those things which you can understand. You will have still lot of space on your page left. Every day you have to revise from this notebook the word, the meaning, the synonyms. You have to write 1 sentence each using each and every word.
Yeah.
You have to do this activity daily till that entire sheet gets filled.
Okay.
For all the words. Maybe it will take you 10 days, 15 days, 8 days, whatever. So with 1 word, if you have framed 5 sentences or 10 sentences, automatically you would be able to remember the word. You would be able to remember the meaning and how to use it. So that is how during the conversations, you can use those words also.
Okay.
To really benefit you. If you think that you are not able to frame sentences, again, you can refer to Google. But daily, you have to write 1 sentence each.
Okay,
the word, meaning, synonyms, sentences.
Okay.
Then with again, new word, meaning, synonyms, and sentences. Okay? This is activity number 2. Activity number 3 is in the remaining 15-20 minutes, you have to summarize what you have understood from the article or the novel or the passage that you read in your own words. Maybe you were reading a short story. You have read it 2-3 times. You have written the word meanings also. Now sit in front of the mirror and summarize it in your own language.
Yeah.
While summarizing again, you'll face difficulty in your own words because it's difficult. Initially, it's difficult for everyone.
Yes.
Still, you have to try. Make a target that I have to speak for at least 1 minute. Once you're comfortable with 1, then try to speak for 2 minutes. Then with every day, you have to like extend your time. So if on Monday you are speaking for 1 minute, on Tuesday you have to speak for 1.5 minutes. On Wednesday, you have to speak for 2 minutes. So by the end of the week, you can speak for 3-4 minutes. By the end of the month, you can speak for 15-20 minutes. So it is supposed to be a very slow and gradual process. Even spending 40 minutes to 1 hour daily, that is also more than enough. I don't want you to spend 2 hours on this.
Okay. Yeah.
1 hour. 1 hour is more than enough.
Yes.
Okay. This is the only work.
Yeah.
But Rohit, this homework is supposed to be done daily for at least a month. In 1 month, we have 30-31 days.
Yes.
I want 30 new words with 30 into like how many sentences you're writing on each page, 30 different articles that you have read, 30 summaries. Everything should be done. No cheating. I am feeling tired. I will take a break. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it in half an hour. Nothing like that. You have to be consistent.
Okay. Yeah, got it. So tell me, ma'am, do you have 1 minute?
Yes, of course. We have 3 minutes.
Okay. Do you really think I'm not good at grammar right now?
See, as of now, what I have written is that you can speak well, but your favorite word is actually. So you use the filler word actually in
This is my weak part.
And actually that's the first thing. Another thing is that you use a lot of fillers apart from actually also like in between. That is another thing. Grammar is fine as of now. Sometimes you are making minor mistakes with tenses. Apart from that, I think everything is fine.
Okay, thank you so much.
This conversation. But it was a very general conversation. When we'll discuss about some other topics, I'll ask you, then I can give you my proper feedback as to how you are speaking. In this session, I would say you could speak well. Okay. But there is always room for improvement. Like you said, nobody is perfect. So you always have to practice and be consistent. You will learn so many new things daily.
Yes.
And this is an ongoing process. Even if you become a tutor 10 years, 20 years, still you will be learning so many new things. Okay?
Okay, I got you. Now I have to read every day any article. It can be from newspaper or it can be from book.
Yeah.
I have to write 2 or 3 vocab every day. I have to make sentences.
1 sentence on each day.
Okay. I have to write synonyms.
Surnames?
Synonyms.
Synonyms, yeah.
Yeah. Actually, maybe this is American pronunciation. I don't know British or American. Synonyms or synonyms. American says.
Like the way you said it, I could not understand.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one more thing which I want to mention, Rohit, is your body language and confidence. Have you noticed while speaking, you're moving like this?
Actually, ma'am, I am sitting on the court. This is this is going downwards.
Listen, for example, you're having a meeting and I am your client, or maybe I am your CEO of the company, whatever. I don't know where you're sitting, if the fan is working or not, if there is a stool or not. Maybe you're sitting on the floor, maybe you are standing. I don't know. I can judge you based on this screen. If you're moving like this, it seems that, okay, maybe he's underconfident. Maybe, he's bored. It can be anything. The other person does not know your story. You know it. So it depends on you. How are you, like portraying it?
Okay.
Okay. So it depends on you.
Yes.
I don't know where you're coming from, your background, how much, have you practiced.